माननीय डॉक्टर ज्योति नागनाथ बागमरे.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity to express my views on Bankers Books Evidence Bill 2026. On behalf of my party Shiv Sena, sir, I rise here today to support the bill. So today the House is going to witness the historical moment, the end of 135 years old colonial British rule and the beginning of new revolutionary changes which make our country future ready. Sir, on behalf of our leader, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde ji, who is the torchbearer of women empowerment and started a very important scheme like Ladki Bahin and gifted the financial freedom to the women, I would like to congratulate Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji. Sir, I think she is giving a very strong message of women liberation and women empowerment, not only to the country but to the entire nation. And I think, sir, she proved that चूल्हे चौके की चौखट से निकलकर नया इतिहास रचाती है. चूल्हे चौके की चौखट से निकलकर नया इतिहास रचाती है. भारत की नारी आज सिर्फ घर ही नहीं बल्कि देश की अर्थव्यवस्था भी चलाती है. मजबूत इरादे, अदम्य साहस, बुलंदियों को छूता मान है. मजबूत इरादे, बुलंद साहस, बुलंदियों को छूता मान है. अंतरिक्ष से लेकर अर्थव्यवस्था तक नारी शक्ति ही देश की शान है. Sir, I think this bill also reflects the larger vision of our Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi ji. Sir, I think the technology has changed the way India banks, and this bill changes the way India proves. Sir, this is the real significance of this legislation. Sir, this bill is a bridge from 1891 to 2026, from paper to digital, from colonial era banking to future ready banking, and from digital transactions to digital justice. So let us not look at this merely as a replacement of an old rule. Let us see it as a statement of confidence in new India, and India that is digital, dynamic and ready for the future. With these words, I extend my full support to the bill, sir. Jai Shivraj, Jai Bhim, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you.